It is great to see you all this morning. Thanks so much for coming to this virtual assembly. I am so excited because I have a chance to bring you here into my studio, and we're going to do some amazing things that I would not be able to do if I was there live. So get ready. I see some of you are on Kahoot already this morning, and that's going to be how you can sort of vote and or choose your own assembly. See, I'm going to ask you some questions today, and your answers are going to guide me on where we need to go, how I can best help your school. What upsets you more? Is it mean words? If so, vote for that on your device. If it's pushing and shoving, you can vote for that. Gossip and rumors, or exclusion, being left out. Teachers, this is a great question you can ask. Did they say something to you? Did they do something to you? You heard it in my song. Did they say something about you? Did they do something without you? And when you ask that question, you will always get to the root of what happened. Okay, so you said gossip and rumors, exclusion, and being left out. Okay, we're going to talk about those. I'm going to show you how to move from mad, that's the red, to sad, that's the orange, to meh, that's like where you don't care, that's the yellow, and then finally to glad, where it's green. That you don't have to let mean words, mean behavior tear you down. You can use it to build you up.
Hi, idiot.
What did you call me?
Idiot.
I'm not an idiot.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
You are with those glasses.
Why are you making fun of my glasses?
Because I can.
Oh, because you have perfect vision?
Exactly.
Whatever, Sophia, you are so mean. You say that again, I will go to the office. I will report you.
You're still an idiot. Hi, idiot.
You think I'm an idiot?
Yes.
Yeah, it's true. I do dumb stuff sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, not everybody's as smart as you, Sophia. It's true. Was it easier to be mean the first time or the second time? Which time was easier?
The first time.
Why was it easier the first time?
I don't know. I just felt like it was more easy because you kept on saying things back and it just gave me more ideas. But when you're like, okay, that's fine, I didn't know what to say next.
I let you say whatever you want to say, and I said, no, I'm going to be kind no matter how you treat me. How did you feel when I did that?
I felt kind of bad.
Yeah. You sort of stopped the game, didn't you? Because you're feeling bad.
Yes, I
did. Don't get upset. Treat your enemy like a friend and show a little love to everyone around you, because as my bracelet says, love changes it all.